What's up guys, my name is Day and today we have an exciting new video where I want to tell you 3 tips on how you can brush your teeth better. Here is a model. Now ladies and gentlemen, which part of the tooth do you think is the most important when it comes to brushing your teeth? Take a second to think about. So if you are thinking about the gum lines, you're right on the money. If you weren't, now you know. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please tell me, which part of the teeth do you focus the most when it comes to brushing your teeth? Let me give you an example. Maybe you like to focus on the chewing side because you don't want the food to get stuck on the fissure and cause caries. Maybe you like to focus on the front side of the tooth because maybe you want it to look cleaner, essentially whiter for other people to look at. Take another second to think about that. And if your answer to this question is the same as the answer to the previous question, you are amazing and I bet your dentist loves you. But if you didn't, fear not, my friend. I will explain why the area around the gum line is important that you should focus on. Take a look at these 2 pictures. One represents a clean teeth, another one represents a dirty teeth. The one that represents a dirty teeth has a yellow stuff around the teeth, as you can see. We call this calculus, and calculus is a buildup of a dental plaque that became hardened. These calculus causes complications such as caries, also gum recession. Then these complications lead to such as hypersensitivity, tooth mobility, and also the worst case scenario, the tooth loss. This is the reason why we need to kind of focus on the areas around the gum when we're brushing our teeth. So tip number 1, make sure to focus the areas around the gum when you're brushing your teeth. Tip number 2, try using the Bass technique. What is a Bass technique, you say? It's invented by this lovely guy, Dr. Bass, and is said to be the most effective way when it comes to brushing our teeth. And it goes something like this. Here's a model, and what you want to do is bring your toothbrush against the gum line in a 45-degree angle, and you want to wiggle it. The wiggling will create a vibration that will loosen up the plaque in your teeth. And you want to count to 5, and once you have counted to 5, and you want to stroke and brush those plaque out of your teeth. Of course, you want to do this for all your teeth, and this will definitely help you focus on the areas around the gum line when you're brushing your teeth. Now it's your turn. I dare you, I triple, quadruple dare you that you give this Bass technique a try today. I can assure you, over time, the technique will help you improve your cleaning game way up. So, what do you say? You want to give this a try? Third and final tip, you want to make sure you get all the surfaces of the teeth. All the surfaces. You gotta make sure you get every surfaces of the teeth when you're brushing your teeth. What I like to do personally is to start from the back of the tooth, right here, and then move along the outside of the teeth using the Bass technique, of course. And then once I head to the other side, then I would like to start to clean the chewing and the inner portion of the teeth. And then I want to bring this back to my original position. And once I back to my original position, I want to go move to my lower teeth and then do the same thing on the lower side. So as a recap, 1, make sure you focus the areas around the gum. 2, try the Bass technique because it will definitely help you focus the areas around the gum. 3, make sure to get all the surfaces around the teeth, because if you don't, then you'll be walking around with half clean teeth. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to floss and use the mouthwash to complete the cleaning procedure so you can keep your mouth clean and healthy. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer your questions and concerns as soon as possible. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, or maybe you can subscribe. But until next time, peace.